Hi everybody, we've just come into the new year 2021 and we're stood out on the balcony watching all these fireworks going off. I'm not sure, you may be able to see them because it's quite foggy out, and we just thought we'd share this video with you. It's very cold out here as well, isn't it?
Freezing.
And it's quite foggy. But it's just amazing. If you can't see them, you'll probably hear them. Wow. Yeah. Let me get a bit close. Wow.
Steer them everywhere, can't you? All directions.
Yeah. Wow. 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 That was a loud one.
Yeah, spider. Such an amazing display.
Yeah, it's amazing. Wow. Coming from all angles. Wow. Wow.
Oh, it's incredible.
Wow. That is amazing. It's a good start to the new year, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Just stood out watching fireworks. Wow. Loads.
It's all panoramic, you know, it's just everywhere. So,
Yeah. Look at them. Wow. Wow. That one. Don't know which way to turn.
there's so many, isn't there? It's like being in London or something, isn't it?
Being in London. Well, I hope you can see these fireworks a bit clear because it is a bit foggy. It's just amazing. Just stood out here, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's incredible.
It's viewing right over in the distance. Wow. Wow. Just loads. Amazing. Over there. Whoa. Get like little ones going on as well. Look at that. Wow. really starting to quieten down. Well, we just thought we'd share this with you, this short video. Just watch it as stood out on our balcony. We're about, whoa, there's another one, hang on.
It's coming from the car park, right, down there. Looks like a car park.
Yeah, as I was saying, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. We just thought we'd share it with you, bringing in the new year, start of a new year. So we wish everybody a happy new year and a safe one. Take care. See you on the next video.